Hi, my name's Anthony Privratsky. This summer I got a chance to be funded by the T32 to do a summer research internship. My mentor and I studied resting state fMRI data of adolescent girls who've had various degrees of assault, and we looked at brain networks related to emotion regulation, and we saw how certain networks were able to predict certain behavioral traits in these subjects. And we looked at the ability of these networks to predict traits such as depression, substance abuse, and PTSD symptoms. But more than that, over the summer, I got a chance to solidify my interest in research in general and really see what goes into the science of addiction. And so in addition to working in the lab, I got a chance to sit in on meetings with graduate students and my primary investigator and see how research studies are designed. And I also got a chance to, every Tuesday, sit in on with the other T32 trainees, got a chance to go over papers related to the science of addiction, just in from anywhere from neurofeedback studies on addiction to animal pharmacology studies on addiction. And so it was a really great experience, and I would hope that someone else could experience or get the chance to train as I did and solidify their interest in research, as well as develop skills in research. And that's the skills aspect was definitely my favorite part of the opportunity. For example, I got the chance to rehash my skills with statistics, and as well as study design and just the general scientific method in general, and it was a wonderful experience, and I'm really thankful that my lab was able to secure the T32.
Hi, my name is Brad Martins, and I'm an MD PhD student in my second year of med school, and over the summer I got a chance to participate in the T32 grant. And although it's a research grant, for me it was more than that, because for most of the time, from my experience, research and clinical skills have really been separate and distinct, and this grant really gave me a chance to kind of see the best of both worlds. I did my research in the Brain Imaging Research Center with Andrew James on the cognectome, and we looked at different ways to analyze data that deals with performance on specific tasks and the best ways to analyze those with neuroimaging. For the clinical skills, though, we met up and got to see other labs, and for one meeting we got to go to a narcotics group, and that really gave me an insight into psychiatry, because while I was there, a man came in about 40 minutes late. He had tested positive that day for many different drugs, and I got to sit in one-on-one with him and Dr. Mancino and a therapist, and the three of us basically listened to him describe why he thought that being on all these different drugs was okay, and it gave me an insight into addiction that I could not have seen or really experienced otherwise. If you are interested in research or clinical experience or combination of the two, I highly recommend participating in this grant, because it gave me skills that I don't think I could have developed otherwise, and it was just a great experience all around, and I'd recommend it to anyone.